Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today's another video tutorial. I'm going to share to you on how you can delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So I have prepared this example for you. So we have this first and second page, where the second page is a blank page, and I want to delete this blank page. Well, it's just very easy, and this is also a new way. Look at the ribbon at the top, and here you'll find all these tabs. Simply click on the view tab and you'll find navigation pane. It's like a tour guide for your document. Check that. And here you'll find headings, pages, and results. Click on pages. And here you'll find the first and second page. So in order to delete the second page, we just have to select it and then press the backspace key on keyboard 2 times. And that's it. You have just deleted the blank page on your Microsoft Word. And then close this. So that's how you can easily delete a blank page in Microsoft Word, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.